Okay, so after all the festivities happened, we're now home. The time is 3:20 in the morning. Happy New Year, everybody. I just want to say some really quick words. It's been an amazing year, and it's just crazy. All the stuff that happened. I think we hit, let's see, we hit 300 subscribers. And we're still growing. We had 10,000 views, which is absolutely crazy to me. At 10,000 people, like 10,000 separate clicks. I made all my videos. It's absolutely insane. Thank you guys so much. But yeah, we're just chilling right now. That's how I like it. But yeah, it's 3 in the morning, and I'm still editing. Everyone else is either drunk, high, partying, or sleeping. And there's me. My whole little setup, editing. That's the bed, ready for me, but still goes. YouTube grind. It's a grind. It's investment, man. You know what I'm saying, bro? But yeah, my whole family here must think I'm weird because I'm talking to myself, but it's okay. We chilling. Weird is different. Different is good. Good night, guys. Happy freaking New Year. Leave it up to me to wear 2 types of camo. Hashtag swag. Let's get it.
Yes, coming.
Straight eating goods today, ladies and gentlemen. Fried calamari, shrimp, all this crap, tea.
Are you insane like me? Been in pain like me? Bought $100 bottle of champagne like me? Just to pour that motherfucker down the drain like me? Would you use your water bill to dry the stain like me? Are you high enough without the Mary Jane like me? Will you tear yourself apart to entertain like me? Do the people whisper about you on the train like me?
Look at how cute this cup is. Okay, so I'm currently in the restroom right now because my whole family's out there talking, so I don't really want to interrupt them, but today is my last day in Orlando. Our flight's leaving at 3. For some reason, we're going to the airport at 12. That's okay. I'd rather be early than late. Better be there early than late, because like, you know how it is with airports. They just don't like me, and it usually takes us like 4 hours, but I have everything checked in, everything. So yeah, we're pretty freaking chill. And when I get back to Arkansas, I'm gonna teach you guys a little bit of a life lesson, because Uncle Werewolf gotta be teaching all these younglings over here. But yeah, it's pretty lit. Oh, by the way, peep the shirt I bought. It was like 30 bucks at the Foot Locker, so it honestly wasn't that expensive because all the other crap I have, it's honestly really overpriced, and I don't really have much of a need for it. But yeah, it's pretty lit. Last day in Orlando, kinda sad that we're leaving, but it's wherever. We're chilling. Coming back in like 4 months anyways, so yeah. Oh, there's the fam, or most of them, and the door's not opening.
No, they don't have no mic.
Basically, we came here way too early. Our flight is starting to board at 12:58. It's when the opens up. Our board's at 1:58. Right now it's 12:04. And we're already here, so we have an hour of waiting. And that means I have an hour of sleep. Boring wait, but at least we got Starbucks, so it makes it a little less boring. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Hell nah, I ain't sleep today, but I'ma be okay. Miss my family on the east, but fuck it, I can't leave LA. Every meeting that I'll be in, trust me, I just lead the way.
Sunshine State, not looking very sunny today.
Never gave a fuck about what the teachers say, cause either way, I'ma just do me and she said me too, I say s'il vous plaît. Walking out the club with me and her.
The best view from the plane. Like, check this amazing thing. Wow. It's absolutely amazing. Such a different change of scenery. Sunny skies of Orlando. This weather, very breezy outside. Nice 20-degree temperature. But yeah, we have landed in Arkansas. We'll see you in the Uber. Let go. Uber? Yes, okay. Can you pop the trunk real quick?
I can see the doubt in those eyes, even though we try to hide.
Thank you very much. Yep, back to cold Arkansas. 20 degrees. Okay, so as quick as we got home, we're now going to Shogun. The time is 5:39, by the way. If it wants to focus. No, it won't want to focus. Alright. Whatever. The time is 5:39. Yes, gotta believe me on that. And we're going to Shogun.
Won't try to say I'm sorry this time, but I want you to know that I was wrong. I know.
Ever since I went to Philly, I tried to stay in a sweet tea mixed with lemonade, and now it's actually the best thing ever. And I'm drinking too much of it. There we go, sweet tea lemonade. Mixed all day. It's delicious. Best drink in life besides bubble tea. We'll give it a werewolf tea. Alright, we're back. What's up, guys? Shogun was pretty not lit. The food was kind of terrible this time. Hold on, I gotta go pee. Okay, guys. Finally, we're back in the freaking crib. We're finally back in the freaking crib. It's pretty lit. The setup is super dirty as always. The bed is not done as always. And everything is freezing in Rogers, Arkansas. As always. And yeah, we just straight chilling. We gotta go black. We're gonna go black. We're gonna go back to the weekly vlogs. Cause you know, weekly vlogs are freaking lit AF. Actually, no, I may make it bi-weekly. I don't even know anymore, guys. I'm just gonna upload every day at 3:30. Cause, you know, that's what I always do. And yeah, we're just straight chilling. 10 minutes of this vlog. You guys are amazing. My name is Steve. Overall, you've been awesome. I feel super hyper right now because I ate a lot of candy and I had a lot of sweets. So I'm freaking dying. It's like, I could probably be a rapper. But yeah, my name is Steve. Overall, you've been awesome. We'll see y'all guys in the next video. Goodbye, guys. Peace the fudge out. Later.
Throw it like Brady.